Struggling to eat healthy while working full-time? Eating healthy can be tough, especially when you're working full-time. Busy schedules, long hours, and the convenience of fast food make it hard to stick to nutritious choices. But eating well is important for maintaining energy, staying focused, and keeping your body healthy. Here's an in-depth guide on how to plan ahead, have a healthy breakfast, healthy snacks, healthy lunch, eat out, stay hydrated, and tips for success for eating healthy while managing a full-time job. Plan ahead. 1. Meal prep. Spend some time on weekends to prepare meals for the week. Cook larger portions and store them in containers. This way, you have ready-to-eat meals for busy weekdays. 2. Make a grocery list. Plan your meals and snacks for the week, then make a grocery list. Stick to the list to avoid buying unhealthy snacks. 3. Simple recipes. Choose easy-to-make recipes that don't require a lot of time. Look for one-pot meals, sheet pan dinners, and slow cooker recipes. Healthy breakfast. 1. Overnight oats. Prepare oats the night before by soaking them in milk or yogurt. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds for extra nutrition. 2. Smoothies. Blend fruits, vegetables, and a source of protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder. Store in the fridge overnight for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. 3. Whole grain toast. Top whole grain toast with avocado, peanut butter, or a boiled egg. These are quick and nutritious options. Smart snacking. 1. Fresh fruits. Keep apples, bananas, or oranges at your desk. They are easy to eat and don't require refrigeration. 2. Nuts and seeds. A small handful of nuts or seeds can keep you full and provide healthy fats and protein. 3. Yogurt. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add honey or fruits for flavor. Greek yogurt is high in protein and can be very satisfying. Healthy lunches. 1. Salads. Prepare salads with a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, like chicken or tofu, and a healthy dressing. Keep dressing separate until you're ready to eat to avoid soggy salads. 2. Wraps and sandwiches. Use whole grain wraps or bread and fill them with lean proteins, plenty of vegetables, and a healthy spread like hummus. 3. Leftovers. Bring leftovers from dinner for lunch. This saves time and ensures you have a healthy meal. Eating out. 1. Choose wisely. Look for restaurants that offer healthy options. Choose dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed rather than fried. 2. Portion control. Restaurant portions can be large. Consider splitting a meal with a colleague or saving half for later. 3. Side salads. Opt for a side salad instead of fries or other unhealthy sides. It adds more vegetables to your meal. Stay hydrated. 1. Drink water. Keep a water bottle at your desk and drink regularly. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. 2. Limit sugary drinks. Avoid sodas and sugary coffee drinks. These add extra calories and can lead to energy crashes. Tips for success. 1. Keep healthy snacks handy. Store healthy snacks on your desk or car. This helps you avoid the vending machine or fast food when you're hungry. 2. Take breaks. Use your breaks to eat mindfully. Step away from your desk and enjoy your meal without distractions. 3. Manage stress. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating. Find ways to manage stress, such as taking short walks, practicing deep breathing, or talking to a friend. Eating healthy while working full-time can be challenging, but with a little planning and effort, it's possible. Prepare meals in advance, choose nutritious snacks, and make smart choices when eating out. Staying hydrated and managing stress can also help you maintain a healthy diet. By integrating these tips into your routine, you can enjoy better health and more energy, even with a busy schedule. If you liked this video, Please subscribe to the channel for more content like this.